fans. Welcome to RV'd with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. Sun's just setting, so got a bit of a glare going on now, but I'm going to do a intro into a ICEFOX 4K action camera that was sent to me for free so I could review it. I'll be just going over that a little bit. My final review will be probably in another week or two. Also got some seat covers, high quality, from Nilight, also sent to me for free to test out. So I got the front driver and passenger seat covers in the Jeep, and also RVGuard had sent me some bags to organize my area, and so I've got a little before and after and during shot of that. And again, there's going to be a little bit of video footage from the ICEFOX as I just initially start recording on it. I do apologize because I didn't realize I had the sound muted, so I'll have to talk over the video I initially shot on that camera. But there you are. But thanks for joining, and hope you get a little info here. And like I said, I'll have my full review a little bit later in a week or two down the road. And Ninja's enjoying the sunset as well. Okay, we're going to be taking a look at the ICEFOX Ultra High Def 4K action camera. These are all the accessories it came with. 2 batteries. And here's the little guy. It's got one of the batteries in there. It's got dual screens for doing selfies or regular photo shoots. And I'll be testing it out. I think this comes in at around $60. All the reviews and videos I've read say don't try to compare it to a GoPro. The thing is you're getting this fairly decent, fairly relatable to a GoPro, not quite the quality videos and pictures, but at a fraction of the cost. So this is great for the entry-level people like me that are just kind of starting to use a camera, and it's got a lot of great features to it. And it's another box opening. This is from Nilight, and they wanted to have me test out some of their products and see what I think. They have a tremendous amount of options for lighting, and I'm definitely going to be getting a couple of the front lights for the Jeep, but I couldn't really decide which one at the time. But I definitely needed seat covers. I probably mentioned this in past videos, and I thought RVGuard was the one sending them, but no, it's Nilight. I'll leave the link to their website in the description below, and let's open this up and take a look and see what they are. And then of course I'll be giving you a full review in a couple of weeks. So they're packaged real nice. Looks like a carrying case that they came in. I don't know necessarily why you'd need that once they're installed. And yeah, I picked out the kind that had like a red accent line. But I'm going to open this up, put them on, and see how easy it is and what I think. Okay, they've got some nice things that go down in there and hook on. It's a real nice leather feel, waterproof, really thick and comfy, but I think they're looking pretty cool. Here's the headrest cover, and I bought and paid for myself a cover for the Blue Ox RV to Jeep trailer hookup. There goes Ninja. From E-Trailer, so it's a pretty decent cover. And also from E-Trailer, I got this little guy that lets this go up 8 inches. That way, when it connects to the Jeep here, it's almost level. So I do want to apologize from here to the end of the video, with the exception of my final sign off at the last few seconds. will be using the ICEFOX 4K camera. What I'm pointing to is what RVGuard sent me, which are organizer bags. They're great. They're color coordinated, a black one, a yellow one. Down below here in a second it's going to be fresh water, and they also are labeled that as well. There's a, boy, we've got, oh, the yellow is electrical. They have an orange one, I think that's miscellaneous accessories. And again, the black one's black tank, blue one's fresh water. And I cleared out this cabinet that had all kinds of stuff just everywhere, left and right. I kept it pretty organized, but now when I need to grab something, be real easy. So thanks, RVGuard. These bags are great. Now what I'm doing now is, like I said, I'm testing out the ICEFOX Ultra High Def 4K action camera, and I'm just trying to get a feel for how it does in the sunlight, in the shading, and moving around a little bit here. Any of the shaking is going to be my hand. And of course there's Ninja checking out all the goodies here. But I really had this as kind of my initial test for the 4K ICEFOX camera as I'm introducing these RVGuard bags. And as you see, I pretty much got that empty in here. And then I went through and did a little bit of organizing utilizing these bags. Got rid of that old plastic purple container there. And it comes out pretty cool. I'll show you here in a minute after I get all these things loaded up. Again, I do apologize for having to do the voiceover. Okay, now you see I've got everything organized in the proper color coordinated bag. They've all got the little cinched up string on the top to close it off. They also each have a nice handle right there to pick up and move around. Pull the black one out, pull the fresh water. Fresh water does have that hole there on the side, so you could take just one end of the hose out, hook it up to, let's say, the faucet water, and then on the top, pull out the other end, and that way you don't have to do it all. Here's the final product. Yeah, I'm getting rid of that Rubbermaid, yucky, broken thing, and now I've got everything fit in there. Very nice, very organized, and easy to get to. And I think these this bag set total on RVGuard was about $27. But I could already tell you for the dollar amount and the value and how great they are, I mean, I love them. And don't take my word for it. Ninja says, yeah, let's get rid of this purple piece of poop container, plastic, and move on. So this is the rug that I think I showed last video from RVGuard again. They gave it to me free of charge to test out. It's been in the rain, the wind, everything else, and I'm loving the rug. I mean, they have multitude of colors and sizes. I chose probably a pretty bright color here, as well as a very large rug. It's very durable. It's really, really nice. It's about 10 times better than the smaller, cheaper, put-together Walmart one. That actually has lasted me a few years, but I just like the fact that it's two-sided, that it has some pretty cool options for colors and logos here. You can see there's a camper trailer there. And this is me just going around a pano showing the ICEFOX camera again. So, I think I had the video sound shut off. So we're gonna do this pano again now that I know the mic's on. I probably had to voice over that previous part, but still working on trying to figure out how to flip the camera around to do a selfie mode. I guess I'll have to break down and read the instruction booklet. Okay, well, now I figured out how to flip the screen. So I could do this up-close video of my face. Next, I've downloaded the app, and I'm going to try to sync it up with the Wi-Fi in the camera. And I know I'll talk about different features as I go along. One thing that popped in my head is it is waterproof in the waterproof case that it comes with, up to 30 meters. And you could preview your videos and pick from the camera itself after you've done it. All right, here we are at a new area, and out of the middle of nowhere comes this total ravine. I think that's the pipeline road up there. It's flat, but man, just on a nature hike today. So that does it. I've given you a little preview of some of the goodies from RVGuard, from Nilight, and from ICEFOX. And I'll have some information down below, probably even some discount codes for you and links. And as I review these for the next week or two or three, I'll give you a final review video at that time. But from Ninja and I, we bid you adieu. Thank you for watching. Please smash that thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already. So thank you very much for watching. You all take care. Be positive, be nice, be active.